No.
Hey, what's up guys? I hope you like this video. And it's called White Noise, the scary game. And me, David, and Juan, Manny, and David X here are here with me. Say hi guys.
Hi.
We're gonna be playing. I'm gonna be starting first. I'm gonna be controlling the guy first. Then it's gonna be Juan. Then it's gonna be Manny. Then it's gonna be David. Yes. All of them. All of you guys.
Okay. So you just want our reactions?
Yeah, reactions. Oh my god, this is kind of I don't want to see. I'm scared.
Hey guys, if I'm playing and the control falls, it's not my fault.
Is the what? Is the
If
camera
control-
falls?
No, if I get
scared real
yeah,
fast.
if I get scared.
Okay.
If I get scared, guys, ooh, I'm gonna throw the controller at the TV.
Oh, you better not.
Ooh, I will.
A $2 million controller.
Look, $21.
Really not the controller. You could do it at the TV though.
If I scream like a little girl, it's not my fault. I'll get scared real bad.
Okay, now he does.
I probably will scream like a little girl.
Really?
Look at the stars.
What are those ancient pyramid things?
I hear something. Oh, that's the tape. Where is it? There was it.
What does the tape do?
I don't know. I think it cements it or here's the tapes. Oh, here, so here.
That was a trying to scare me.
So guys, you can't. That doesn't count as scaring people. There we go. 1 out of 8.
So it's kind of like Slender then?
I think. Oh no! Oh look, it's over there! Oh! Run!
Oh, you.
Hey, yo, stop! You're getting me scared, guys.
Come on. What do I do? Stop it. Look back.
Yo! I don't want to look back, boy. What is that? What is that?
It's my eyes.
What?
Don't look back, dude. I'm afraid to be behind you. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god.
Yo, stop! Who wants to go in that restroom?
Not
No,
me.
no,
Ah!
Oh my god.
God, it's scary. Oh god!
Did you see what Jake?
Stop! Don't move. It's okay.
Okay, guys. It's not like he's gonna die.
Oh, what is that? Is someone crying? Oh,
There's
it's-
another one right there.
Where?
Right there.
I got it. Oh god, good looking, Diego. Hey, yeah, you can't. You guys have to be looking.
No, you need to be looking. I'm looking.
Oh god,
You can get it. Oh, did you get it?
yeah. Yo, guys, it's gonna start getting scarier.
I'm already getting scared real bad.
I know, me too. Stop, don't.
It'd be scarier if you just.
Oh!
Oh my god!
What is that?
I don't know, but it's scary.
Oh, this is like Slender.
It's like Slender.
Oh god, it's in front of me again. Run! I can't run. What the? I'm running the other way. Is it in back of me? Okay, it's gone. It's
It'd be
gone.
scary. Just turn around and it appear behind you.
I know, dude. That'll be freaking scary, man.
That happened to me in Minecraft last time. I turned around and there was a creeper and I exploded.
I'm freaking scared right now.
I know, me too.
Like you guys don't even know want to know how scared I am.
It's okay with the.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Like
that's.
if you turn up.
It's just a paw. I'm gonna mark my territory. Okay. You guys wanna go in there?
No.
No, I'm playing. I don't wanna go in there too. Where is it?
Oh, I'm so scared. From 1 to 10, I'm already like in the 9.5.
Oh, 9.5.
Yeah.
And we barely got 2 camcorders.
I hope I don't pee my pants.
Oh, there's another crying baby over there.
That was not me. Oh, yeah.
Did I just hear hi?
No.
Yeah,
I said
really?
9.
Oh!
Oh my god!
Hold on, I can't move. Hey, I can't move. I can't move.
Hey, I dare you to go
I
to
can't move.
I dare you to go to
Oh,
What is that?
I don't know.
That's scary.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're back, and I paused it for a little because it's David X's turn. As you see, I'm playing and I'm watching also, and it's kind of scary. Good luck, David. Oh, and by the way, you get the cam recorders with A.
Okay.
And when you hear the zzz, that means they're close by. Like
Okay,
Like-
this is scary.
I know.
I
My
don't
heart
know.
was pumping real quick.
Oh my god, what is that?
Oh, you hear it? Is there somewhere? Find it. Diego found one last time I didn't listen. I think it's right there.
No, remember.
I think you passed it. Go back. Yeah, it's I think it's by the wall.
Oh my god, I don't want to play no more. This is so scary.
Too bad. You can
Guys,
get
he barely started.
I'd rather just stay there and let the monster kill me.
I hear it.
I don't hear anything.
I wouldn't look. I wouldn't look up if I were you.
Ah!
Stop.
Okay.
I pee my pants, psych. Stop. Focus on the game. Focus on the road. There is nothing but the road. Focus on the road. You have to find that cam recorder.
What do you think I'm looking for? That looks wrong.
That's what she said.
That thing right there. That looks wrong.
Oh, there you go backward. Keep going the other way. I think I heard it.
Looks like a dinosaur.
David.
Dinosaur. Hey, dude, he's close by. I can hear it.
No, that's the cam recorder. Whatever it is.
Is that blood?
I'm scared, guys.
Don't go to the water. You're gonna die, big dummy. Stop. Oh wait, that's not water. Okay, forget.
I think that's water.
Oh yeah, but like I thought that was a river.
No, it's because he's playing this math thing.
Hey, what's up, guys? I had to pause it because it was an interruption. Oh, you hear it? It's close. It's right there. Wait, turn around the other way.
Hey, dude, I'm scared already, dude.
Do it. It's right there. Right there. No, wait, no.
Oh my
Tree.
god, there's something over there.
No, look. There's nothing over there. Look. It's right there. Right there on the wall. Wait. Oh my god. Right. No.
On the
To the
right.
right. To the right. Stop. Okay, I thought it was there. Forget it.
Oh, I can't. Oh my gosh, why? You're just scaring me real bad.
Stop. Don't scare him. Okay, he's gonna break the controller.
I am.
Oh my
You-
gosh, I hate that one.
You're going the wrong way. Yeah, it's over there. You see it? It's right there on the table. You see it?
Dude, oh my god.
Boobies.
God.
Press A. Just press A. Just press A. Press A. Right there. Press A. You ready?
Yes.
Ready for the white monster?
You run with RT, by the way.
It's right there. You suck.
Go the other way, you big dummy! Go the other way! You suck. Hey, what's up, guys? This is the last guy playing as in Juan. As number Juan. Okay, get the tape recorder.
Fucking away left. That's mean.
I'm not here.
Okay, wait, I hear it. Do you hear it?
Yeah.
Yes. Wait, doesn't that sound for the for the recording? Or
Yeah, the recording. I don't think it's there.
It's right there.
Turn around, I think it's the other way.
Dude,
That way.
even if you haven't played.
Okay, guys, he's gonna get it.
I'm not gonna get it, guys.
Press A, you big dummy.
No!
Press
No!
A, yes!
Just press
No.
it.
Yes!
No!
No.
Did you press it? Stop moving the tape. Did you get it? Get it, press A.
I can't get it.
Press A. Okay, there you go.
Oh my god, you can't follow you anymore.
Okay, you
can't
got
follow you, they're following you now.
Don't move it. Don't move. Don't move. Don't get scared.
Ah!
Stop. Just keep going.
Look, it's right there.
No, it's not. Don't get him scared.
Okay.
Okay, turn to the left a little bit. Okay, now turn to the right. To the left, to the left, to the left, to the right, to the right. Okay, forget it. Okay, just run. Run. Run like hell.
You're right there.